Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, today I would like to share with you my new project. Yeah, been so long didn't share projects with you all. And yeah, this is the order box that I made for a friend as a thank you gift. And yeah, yeah, you can see the photo that posted just now, and before and after. So yeah, this one, the top here is my embroidery rose. You can see dimension. This is called what kind of rose? Let me see and tell you what. I already forget what kind of roses is this called. This is not a bouillon stage. This is how to call this thing? Cast on stage, right? Okay, so yeah, this is how I make. You can see around here. Yeah, so I didn't do any of this stitching here. It took me a while for this one in the middle here. Actually, maybe it's too busy this part here, but yeah, just so I didn't use other colors. I just use a cream to match this box, so I don't want to make look like too busy. So you can see around the box I use the trim and the beaded lace and this the ugly part here, so you cannot see it. Okay, so the bottom is pink. This is the original color. So yeah, I open the box, open up this, I'll show you this like so. Yeah, it looks like a cake, right? A shabby chic cake. Let me show you this so you can see it. Okay, so yeah, so and this is the inside, and this is just like a goodies box. So I put all these lovely color items in, and when you open, this is like so. It's 2-tier boxes, and inside so yummy, lovely color. So I will not show you all the items in the box because just some embellishment and ribbon, flower and doily, and some lovely trim that my friend loved this, so I include some of this inside. So yeah, this is just a little thank you gift for a precious friend. This one, because I glue this part here because I don't want to like broken, so this a bit hard to close it back, so I just leave it. When you close this cover, then the box will not open, so I will not put this hook in. So just like so, very simple, and I think it's pretty, like a shabby chic cake. So yeah, this is the box and goodie box that I made for a friend, and I really look at this to show you. Okay, and I really you'll like this, and hope my friend who received this will love this too. And yeah, this taking me a while for make all this thing. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and thanks for the new subbies who new sub to my channel, and I will try to keep to post new project with you all. And yeah, and also all my very old subbies and yeah, there's subscribes to me for so long, and and your continuous support, and I truly appreciate it. And yeah, please feel free to leave your comments and let me know what you think of this shabby chic box, and if you like this one, please give me a big thumbs up, and thanks again, and please stay tuned, and I will have another other box to share with you all.